the simplest hitch loop around the pole.
In this video I'll show you how you can make the cow hitch knot, the cow hitch, around the pole to secure a rope on a pole or a stick or a tree. Basically this is how you would normally do the cow hitch, and if you can access the top of the pole, you can just slide it over the pole and there you have it, it's secured in place. I'm just showing you here on a piece of pipe, but if you can access if the one of the open ends of the pipe is accessible, then you can do it like this. You can also make a half hitch behind the cow hitch to make it more secure, and now it really looks much better. But what happens if you don't have access to the edge of the pipe or the pole? What if it's a tree or a really tall pole where you can't just slide the knot around it like that? Well, it's not a big deal. Actually, there is a way to do it like that also. So I show you again. This is really my favorite way of doing this. Very quick, and goes on the stick or a pole. If you have to make the cow hitch knot around a pole or a stick or a tree where you can't reach the edge of this stick or pipe, you make a loop around the pole, bring it behind the standing end like that, bring it up on the other side, and then the working end, the short edge, comes out the same side as the long side, the fixed side, the standing end. And this is the cow hitch. So you do it like this on a tree or on a stick without having to reach the edge of this tree. If you could reach the edge, it's much easier to do like I showed you earlier, but you put it, see, it goes, I did a mistake, yeah, it goes on the front here and then at the back. It's really doing the same, I'm doing the same knot, but having the stick in between there. Once you have to do it a few times. Once you get used to doing it, it's really easy, and it's a nice trick to attach a rope any size to a stick or a tree. So once again, it doesn't matter which side you go, left or right, as long as the second turn goes in from the opposite side towards the fixed end. And that's the cow hitch on a pole or on a stick or a tree. It's pretty nice. To secure the cow hitch on a stick, you can use a half hitch or even a slipped half hitch. Here I make the half hitch with the slip. This just means that I made a loop that I can pull to release it easier. That's really what it is. I pull it and it's easier to release, but still I have the cow hitch tied here, so I have to remove that. To remove it, you really pull the standing end, the fixed end and the working end together towards the loop to untighten the knot. It really works even with this thick rope. If I had a stick, let's imagine this is a long, light pole somewhere in your yard. You put the rope around it, go to the front, then go out at the back. Make sure you go around behind the standing end, the fixed end, like this. Then come back out the same path as the fixed end. When you tighten it, that's the cow hitch. It's pretty nice. It's not a tall pole, it's just a small glue, some glue, dry glue, but yeah, you know what I mean. Try it. It's really nice to try this knot, especially to try multiple ways of tying it. It's really interesting and it will be useful at some point for sure. Let me know in the comment section below which are your favorite knots and which knots you want to find out more about in future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll watch the next one.